In the meantime, the exodus out of the mega city for the provinces continues at all provincial bus terminals, where just about every departing bus is fully booked, especially in the Cubao district. Still, chance passengers galore will even wait up to tomorrow just for a shot at getting back home, as our Rod Lagusan tells us.
On the eve of All Saints Day, some of our countrymen are still rushing to return to their respective provinces. Abelardo, who is heading to San Fernando, Pampanga, does not mind the heat or the long lines just so he can get a ride and go home.
Pero basta pasok kami kanina, hanggang half day pa. Kaya ito, minadali ng umuwi, tapos wala namang palang bus. Kahit na nakarang taon, ganito pa rin ang naranasan ko, experience ko dito. Hirap pa rin talagang sumakay.
Meanwhile, Josephine, who is traveling to Tabaco Albay, she booked an online reservation early on, so she did not have much travel.
Ngayon lang nagkabakante uling oras. After 2 years, gusto kong dalawin yung parents ko saka brother ko. Saka yung mga kapatid ko rin na nasa probinsya.
According to Fire Inspector Lorenzo Diaz, station commander of the Pinagkaisahan Fire Substation, the number of passengers at some terminals in Cubao has not been that high throughout the day.
Pero dahil siguro nagdeklara na rin ng walang pasok kahapon, so malamang yung iba po nabawasan na kahapon, yung iba mga nag-leave na siguro, kaya kahit papano talaga hindi na siya ganun karami.
However, they do not rule out the possibility the number of passengers could still increase.
Kahapon, simula hapon hanggang gabi, dumadami po yung ating mga pasahero. So siguro malamang ganun din po yan mamaya, hanggang gabi po malamang dadami pa yung mga pasahero natin.
Based on the experience of one bus terminal here, there are still some passengers who try to catch up even on November 1. At their command post, personnel from the Bureau of Fire Protection are deployed, along with the Philippine National Police, MMDA, and members of the traffic sector of the Quezon City LGU. First aid is also available here in case of emergencies, where one passenger was reportedly given assistance after feeling dizzy. Earlier, members of the Philippine Coast Guard and Philippine National Police, together with K9 unit, conducted inspections at the terminals in Cubao. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.